In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote ChatGPT 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cite AI outputs in APA 7th, MLA 9th, and Chicago 17th, and how to document your process so your work is transparent and defensible. Let's start with APA 7th edition, which treats OpenAI as the corporate author and prefers a specific shareable chat URL whenever possible. For in-text, use the parenthetical format OpenAI 2026 or the narrative style, as in OpenAI 2026 demonstrated that. In your reference list, if you have a unique chat link, format it like this. OpenAI 2026 May 20th, Academic Integrity in Higher Education, Generative AI Chat. ChatGPT followed by the share URL. If you're citing general tool usage instead of a single conversation, write OpenAI 2026 ChatGPT GPT-4o version large language model with the main site URL, labeling the medium, such as generative AI chat or large language model, helps readers understand what you used. Now, MLA 9th edition. Here, the prompt text functions as the title, and ChatGPT is the container. In text, cite the opening words of the prompt in quotation marks, like explanation of economic scaling factors. In the work cited, your entry looks like explanation of economic scaling factors prompt. ChatGPT GPT-4o version, OpenAI 20 May 2026, chatgpt.com. Using the first words of the prompt keeps your in-text and works cited aligned. For Chicago 17th edition, AI exchanges are treated like personal communications, so you lead with footnotes or endnotes and usually skip the bibliography unless there's a publicly shareable URL or your instructor requires it. A footnote example would be ChatGPT response to explain the difference between micro and macroeconomics. GPT-4o OpenAI May 2026 followed by the share link. Only add a bibliography entry if explicitly required or if you have that public URL. Here's the quick mental map. APA is author date with OpenAI as author and a formal reference list entry. MLA is prompt as title and uses quoted prompt text in the citation. Chicago anchors everything in a numbered note and may exclude AI from the bibliography unless there's a shareable source. To protect your work, build a concise evidence report. First, keep an appendix transcript. Save a shareable link to the full chat or paste the conversation into an appendix at the end of your paper. Second, preserve local version history using tools like Google Docs version history or word track changes to show your writing developed over time. Third, maintain voice autonomy. Use ChatGPT for outlining, source discovery, and formatting checks, but don't let it draft consecutive paragraphs. Keep your analysis and transitions in your own words. And that is all for today. Disclosing your AI usage transparently and using proper style guides turns ChatGPT into a powerful research assistant while completely shielding you from academic integrity flags. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.